The Smart Oven Air Fryer Compact includes 5 handy and impressive air fry functions that allows you to enjoy crispier and tastier snacks with ease. The Element IQ system moves greater volumes of air throughout the oven to produce beautifully browned, crispy food results without the need of deep frying in oil. A top tip when air frying meats or foods with a higher fat density is to sit the roasting pan beneath the mesh air fry basket to catch any fat drippings. You can also nest your trivet inside the roasting pan and air fry your food directly on the trivet. Both methods will help to keep your oven clean and prevent fat from smoking on the heating elements. It's also a good idea to discard excess oil and drippings in between cooking batches. The Air Fry Fries preset takes the guesswork out of your favorite snack. To begin, place your fries onto the air fryer basket and insert it to rack position 1. Turn the oven dial to fries, where you'll be prompted with the default thickness of 3, which is ideal for steak fries. For thinner cuts, turn the temp time dial to 2 for straight cut fries or 1 for shoestring fries. Once confirmed, press the Start/Stop button to begin the cook cycle. If at the end of the timer you'd like your fries to be slightly crispier, press the A Bit More button to add 2 more minutes of air fry time to get that classic golden glow. The trick to perfecting air-fried chicken wings is to add a sprinkle of milk powder to the spice mix. This helps to achieve a nice color and enhances the crispiness of the wings. For the best results, avoid layering food and leave space between pieces. With the wire rack in the downward position, insert it into rack position 3 and sit the roasting pan on the wire rack. This will help catch any fat drippings from the wings to avoid damaging the heating elements. Then set your mesh basket to rack position 1. Turn the oven dial to wings, where it'll default to a darkness level of 2 and 9 pieces of wings. To adjust this for your desired cook, turn the temp time dial to change the darkness. Then press the dial to confirm and to adjust the number of pieces accordingly. The oven can fit up to a total of 15 pieces. Once you're set, press the Start/Stop button to begin the preheating and cook process. If you're working with frozen foods, you can toggle the frozen button at any time in the cooking process. The frozen button extends the cooking duration slightly to ensure your food is cooked thoroughly without burning the outside. And at the end of the cook cycle, if you're looking for a slightly crisper finish to your wings, press the A Bit More button to add some extra air fry time. Who doesn't like crispy bacon for their club sandwich or favorite breakfast? To perfect this with ease, set the wire rack to rack position 3. Then place your food into the roasting pan and place it on top of the wire rack. Turn the function dial to bacon. The oven will default to a crispiness of 3 with a thickness of 2. To adjust this, turn the temp time dial to change the crispiness. Then press the dial to confirm before changing the thickness of the bacon, with 1 being regular or 2 being thick. Once set, press the Start/Stop button to begin preheating. And once your cook is finished, you can crisp the results slightly by pressing the A Bit More button, where it'll add 2 minutes of cook time to create your desired result. Want to reheat that leftover fried chicken from last night? This will quickly become your favorite function. With your rack in the downward position, place your food on the rack and place it into rack position 2. Turn the function dial to Crispy Reheat and you'll be prompted with the default cook temperature. Adjust according to your cook, then press the temp time dial to confirm before setting the duration. Once set, press the Start/Stop button to begin. If you're working with frozen leftovers, you can toggle the frozen button at any time in the cooking process, where it'll extend the cooking duration slightly to ensure your food is cooked thoroughly without burning the outside. If at the end of your cook you realize you should have added more time to the reheat, simply press the A Bit More button at the end of the timer, and the oven will run for a further 2 minutes to get your cook just right. If you're looking for more control over your air fry meal, this function will be your perfect companion. To begin, place your food in the air fry basket and place it into rack position 1. Turn the function dial to air fry. Then use the temp time dial to set the desired temperature. Press the dial to confirm. Then you'll be prompted to set the duration for your cook. Once you're set, press the Start/Stop button to begin air frying. The A Bit More function is also available for the custom air fry setting. So if you'd like to brown or crisp your cook a bit more at the end of the timer, it'll add an additional 2 minutes of cook time for your desired results.